In front of me is Fairphone 5, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Then select Consent, and finally click on the top right corner to access all of those wallpaper settings. Check out all of them, and when you're ready to continue, click at the top right corner and bottom right corner. Now set a save wallpaper. Yes. Set wallpaper and decide where by clicking on one of those options. When you're finished, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!